Ahoy there, matey! All hands on deck! Bend down the hatches and let's set sail to the unknown. Well, soon it will not be that unknown, because we have set our compasses to find the new Light Elegance Buttercream Summer Collection of 2020, Nautical. Inspired by the beauty of the deep, endless oceans and the thrill and anticipation of setting sail to yet another adventure, this summer collection embodies both the peacefulness and excitement of the nautical experience. So, let's get lost in a contrast of calm sea neutrals and stormy bolds. Man overboard! Of course, have to be a punchy pink to draw attention. A creamy, vibrant, almost neon pink that will throw you overboard. All hands on deck is as dramatic and deep as the ocean. A dark blue with just a touch of purple that will cool you down on those hot summer days on the sea. What's happening, Captain? Is your soft pinkish cream coral with an amazing coverage. Who needs a life jacket when you got this eye catcher on your nails? Anchors away makes you think of clear blue sailing skies. A light creamy cobalt blue with a perfect touch of cool elegance. Ahoy there, matey! A soft cherry red with an orange undertone. The perfect summer red that will match that cute sailor outfit of yours. Don't deny it, we all know that you got one. Sure thing is that perfect sandy neutral with just a touch of pink. This color will go with any of the other colors in the collection and will give you that stylish look. For show. And there you have it, the perfect color collection to take you out at sea. Now all that's missing is just that sailing boat. The Nautical collection will be available to salon customers everywhere on May 29th at lightelegance.com or with the Light Elegance distributors. Thank you so much for watching and happy sailing. Bye!